Welcome back, traders, and again looking at big figure trades here. This is a little bit different, this particular situation. We're looking at price action and deciding well in advance not to take the trade. The big figure, as you see here by this orange line, was the level. Now this was Monday the 20th, I believe, yeah, 20th of January. So we wrote this text here before the trade even took place, or when it started to get towards the big figure, so nobody knows, but thinking this is not the ideal price run for big figure. Yeah, it may respond, but this has been a dribble run. This reaction may be painful and slow. So when we get price action a bit like this, where we see very shallow pullbacks, price is virtually just dribbling or drifting all the way up. We see the size of these candles on this 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart. They're very small. So we're not getting much volatility, so it's good to read into this before we actually hit the level and then just take it based on the fact it's a big figure. So 15-minute, very sluggish price action here. This is Asia, about lunchtime in Asia. So what happens is we hit it, we come down a little bit, but then we keep going higher. Again, very lethargic price action. We pull off a little bit here, and then we go up to 81.20 area. So had we taken the trade, that's where the stop would have been here, at 81.20, but decided not to take it simply because what we're seeing in this area being such a drifting price and pullbacks being very little. Had we seen maybe something more to this type of liking, even here you can see it's rather shallow here. This just becomes one-way price action, so we need to see a little bit more volatility. And here it is on the 1 hour chart. Again, we're just seeing price come up from about the 80, 60, 50 handle on its way up. Virtually nothing in the way of pullbacks. Even though we got up to here 81.20, we come back down. This is what we needed to see on the way up, is this type of push and then back down, push and then back down. We didn't see that, and then we've had another trade entry here today, which we'll look at in a second video here at the big figure. But just keep this pattern in mind. When you see that, you need to step back and observe, or just exercise it, as I did. Took an exercise trade, meaning we took a short there just on the paper account, just so we can get a feel for it, get a gut, be attached to it in some way or form on an emotional level.